Oh, hello. This was a one. You know, you have time for me to do my hair, but look at this. Oh my God.
What have you done to her, Anna?
Oh, I don't know. I just wake up and boom, boom.
I've got you something about it. Here, take a seat.
I think this chair?
Yes.
This chair?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, yeah? You have a magazine?
Oh, yeah, thank you.
And just watch it.
Okay, you watch my beautiful face. You know, you saved my life because look, I can't even go anywhere.
Well, what did you do to it? Put some colour in it or something?
Oh no, you know, I just have the normal, the white streaks. Oh. Can you put the white streaks for me?
Oh, well, I think I'm going to bleach it first.
You know, you saved my life because I can't go anywhere looking like stupid.
Anyway, it's not work anyway, Anna.
Oh, you know that stupid Betty is not fair. You know, I waited a long, long time and she just come and you know, she got that rice and not even me. Can you go easy, please?
Sorry.
Yeah, she got,
Don't
you
worry,
know,
won't harm your eyes.
it's not fair because she got that rice. Oh my God, look. Oh, the man still cute it also.
Things ain't pretty.
Oh, yeah. Hey, you here? You know Sione and Nele?
Yeah.
They got divorced yesterday. Yeah, because you know what Sione told Mele? He said, you can't cook. And you know what Mele did? She got a pot of chop suey.
They got chop suey.
No, we call it chop suey. They got a chop suey and he chucked on her. Oh my gosh. And you know, Sione called the police. But the police said no drugs was only play with food. Oh, he's a big crooked. Can you pick up?
Oh, you and Sela make such a nice garden, don't you?
Oh, sorry, my husband is the vicar. Oh, yeah. You know, we're gonna make a new vegetables. You know, we're gonna make the tawas and the kumaras.
What sort of fruit is that?
Oh, it's a vegetable, you know, the purple color with the circle and the circle.
I think they're sweet potatoes.
Oh, but we call it kumaras.
Well, I bet you love all the produce that comes throughout summer.
Yeah, because you know we don't have to spend money and waste it go buy the cooler shop. You know, we just take from the backyard. But you know my next door, you know soil, his garden is so rotten. I think he stole my fruits.
Well, I'm sure you wouldn't do that.
Oh, you don't know him. Why are you so quiet?
Oh, no.
Come on, tell me, what's on your mind?
Well, I don't think you want to know, Anna.
Well, I'm asking you, that's why I want to know.
Well, it's just that I was praying for you.
What? You pray for me? Oh, what you pray for me?
Well, I was just praying to see how... I was just praying that how people will get hurt when you're gossiping about them.
Oh, but we're not really gossip. It's just a story from here, story from there. It's come today, finish tomorrow. Can you pick two more hairspray here?
Well, a friend told me that gossiping is confessing other people's sins.
That's a good one. What? Confessing sin. Sin what?
Confessing other people's sins.
Oh, confessing other people's sin. Oh, I think I need that one for another day.
Well, God has given you a tremendous talent in so many ways, Anna.
Yeah, I know. That's why I think I should help Mele cook it, so she'll not divorce no more.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Well, it's all done for you, and hopefully you can come next time and let me see your hair for you.
Is that it?
Yeah.
you.